Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize watermark in the OPPO Pad Air. So to start, open the camera app, then go to the settings and tap on the watermark. Now just switch it on, and how you can see there we have a few options to edit. We can add your custom text. Just tap on it, type your text and click save. You can enable the device model, location, date and time. Remember, there you have a preview and the font size and position. And now just go back to the camera, take your photo and customize the watermark should appear in the upper right corner. There is our watermark and this is the full one. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment and goodbye.